Thomas here with Much Props, going to give you another how-to video. This time we are going to build something from the Fallout series. I recently got a new coffee mug. Holds like 32 ounces of liquid, because why wouldn't you want 32 ounces of coffee? But I thought it'd be kind of cool to have my own Pip Boy, so let's make our own Pip Boy using random ridiculous parts. Let's get to building. And we are finished. Here is the end result. Pretty pleased with the outcome. I think it turned out pretty awesome. There are a couple of exceptions to this. Now, the screen that holds it in, it's simply just a Tupperware deal. So if you decide to make one yourself, make sure that you raise it up enough so that your phone can fit in there properly. Mine's a little snug, so one end kind of sticks up a little bit. Also, I had to kind of compromise because it's not, I guess, wide enough, or maybe this is too big. I had to get away with a couple of details. There should be another little bracket, little raised platform in there that I kind of just took away. But overall, pretty pleased with the aesthetics of it. It does fit fairly well on my forearm, on my wrist. Not so much. I could probably put a pad or something in there to do away with that, but pretty pleased. There are some knobs that work as far as moving. Some knobs don't. This doesn't pull out like in the game, but there are some pretty cool features on here. You can sync this up with your actual game and actually use this while playing the game, adding, you know, stim packs and stuff like that, which is kind of cool. Definitely immerse yourself into the world. Oddly enough, I can actually use this to randomly spawn objects, so let's try it. Go to my inventory. Ooh, nuke a grenade. And it just appears in your hand, which is kind of nice. I don't really need a nuke or grenade, so. How about plasma mine? Oh, I didn't mean to click on that one. We'll just set that one down there. Nobody will trip on it. Ooh, I know, Grognak's axe. Let's get that. There we go. I'd probably get in trouble for this one. Let's just set this one off to the side somewhere. Furious Power Fist. There we go. I'm not getting in trouble with this. A nice Fury Power Fist. All of those props I've made in previous builds, you can check those out as well. Maybe you'll try and make one of these yourself and impress your friends with your Fallout Pip Boy, and maybe they'll want one for their very own. And they'll ask you, how'd you make that? You can give them one of these. Tell them, much props. I don't really want to hit you with this. I mean, it is kind of new and all, so let's hit you with the Power Fist. There you go.